Hi everyone, today I want to talk about a fascinating topic in astronomy, the collision of two massive galaxies. These collisions are rare, but they can have a profound impact on the surrounding universe. The Milky Way and Andromeda are two of the most massive galaxies in the local group. They are estimated to be separated by approximately 225 million light-years. In fact, they are so far apart that the Milky Way appears as a small speck of light against the Andromeda galaxy. It is thought that the two galaxies will eventually come into contact sometime in the future. The collision could have catastrophic consequences for the surrounding region, as the immense amounts of energy and matter involved in the collision could cause major disturbances in the space-time fabric. However, it is also possible that the collision could lead to the formation of a new galaxy. During a collision, gas and dust from the two galaxies can merge, creating a massive explosion of star formation. This could lead to the formation of a new, massive galaxy that is similar to the Milky Way or Andromeda. If the collision does indeed lead to the formation of a new galaxy, it would be a stunning sight to witness. Astronomers would be able to study this new galaxy in detail and learn much about the early history of the universe. In the meantime, we can speculate about what the collision of these two galaxies might look like. If the two galaxies came into contact head-on, they would create a huge explosion of gas and dust that could be seen for billions of years. The dust would create a blinding starlight that would illuminate the entire sky. As the gas and dust began to cool and settle, new stars would begin to form. These stars would create a glowing nebula that would be visible from Earth. The collision could be a truly magnificent sight, and one that would inspire us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe.